Hey guys, sorry I wasn't talking, I was in the back. And I'm back with another vid. I'm sorry about the 3 people in my den. Those are my friends. Except one of them. Yes, I did get a bunny. Yay, he's so cute. I'm looking forward to... Oh my god, why is my gamer tag so big? It only has... models.
My computer didn't turn on.
Oh, that's great.
So I'm gonna have to
Just
we're
wait.
gonna have to wait a long time.
So, with Josh, we were supposed to be doing a video together, but his computer isn't working right now.
I told him to do it.
Okay, see ya. Okay, just call me or text. Yeah, that's it. You're fine. Oh, there we go. That felt better. Just okay, so I need to dance. I feel horrible dancing. So once I get more rare, I'm gonna start trading a lot more. The thing is, I just need to get rare again. That's all. Well, this only has been 1 minute, almost 1 minute and 53 seconds. 54, 55, 56, 57. So, yeah. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.